special treat for today's show. We are drinking Glenfiddich Fire and Cane. This is given to us by a friend of the show, Jonathan King. So thank you very much, Jonathan. For precautions, we actually pre-poured the whiskey this time. So Mac and Erik in there have their glasses poured already. We normally do at this segment what Tartans we're wearing as well, while Mac goes to collect his scotch. So Erik, Mac, what tartan are you guys wearing today?
Are we going in typical order, normal order?
I don't know.
He put you first.
I don't know. It's
threw everything off.
Chaos!
All he is.
All right. Well, then I'll go first. I've got the County Down on today.
Very lovely.
Cool. Kilts Culture.
Awesome. I am wearing the Royal Stewart Weathered Tartan myself. So, all right, enough of that. Let's get to drinking. All right, who has the tasting notes and sniffing notes and all that stuff for the Glenfiddich Fire and Cane in there?
I have them over here.
Okay.
So this is saying the Fire and Cane is a bold fusion of smoky and sweet note with a marrying peated whiskey and malts matured in bourbon barrels, then finished in Latin rum casks.
That's interesting.
So it is golden in color, which I would tend to agree with them on that.
Yep.
So do you want the nose notes first, or do you want to?
We'll smell a little bit. We'll see what we smell first. All right, Mr. Erik, Mr. Mac, do you have any scents in mind?
Do we have any sense?
Do you have any sense at all?
We have no sense whatsoever.
I'm definitely getting a little bit of smoke. It's not
I'm getting a lot of
overpowered.
smoke. I'm getting a fair amount of smoke.
Yeah. It's not overpowered. It's like light smoke. It's the beginning of kindling. It's,
See, I know their notes, so
I saw it on the screen too, unfortunately.
it's like leading the witness here.
I'm trying
okay. I can't see that far.
Okay, so their notes are saying a billowing soft peat notes like a distant smoke on the wind. So there you go. There's
Holy shnikes, I was right, kind of.
rich sweet toffee with zesty fresh fruit notes and spiciness. It's a spicy.
Yes, the spicy whiskey. I don't get toffee on the nose, but
I'm not getting toffee.
yeah. All right. Well, let's see what it tastes.
You
Yep.
okay?
We poured a little one for Jamie as well, so she's back there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's light. It's not the smoke is there, the peat is there, but it's kind of light. Real short in the mouth too.
Yeah. And sweet.
Yeah. Little bit of like the seaweedy kind of taste, a little bit of iodine, just a hint.
I was gonna say a fair amount of iodine, in my opinion, but
Okay.
and it's funny because the smokiness is like they wouldn't like me to describe it for them because it's like when you've tried to start a campfire and your kindling doesn't take.
Yep.
Because the wood's wet and you get a billow of smoke in your face and you choke to death. That's the kind of smokiness.
So, would you say it tastes like a Highland peat campfire with oak notes and toffee and sharp green fruit, not red fruit,
God.
green fruit, sweet baked apple on soft smoke.
I can really taste the kumquat.
Green fruit. Somebody out there going to tell us what green fruit means.
Honeydew, melon, something like that.
All the immature fruits.
Yes. I don't get a lot of the toffee.
I'm mostly getting Band-Aid, dude.
Yeah.
I'm tasting Band-Aid. I'm not alone. Jamie's nodding her head. I was like, tastes like Band-Aid to me.
To me, it's nowhere near as much as like a Lafroig or a Lagavulin as far as the Band-Aid, the iodine kind of note.
I think we haven't had a peaty one in a while. I think that's part of my problem.
Fair.
The peatiness and the smokiness are getting.
Now
are
it's
hitting me
funny
more.
because I looked at some of the reviews other people were leaving on this one, and they were saying about how smoky it is.
I think it's,
I don't think it's like it's not like heavy. Like I think it's lighter on the smoke.
and
I don't know. I think it's pretty smoky. So
I will say for a Glenfiddich, it is smoky. For an Isla or for something that says like we're smoky, it's not. It's a mellow smoke. It's there,
Gotcha.
but it's mellow.
Okay.
To me.
Mellow.
Who am I? What
It's
do I know?
toasted.
It's all those green fruits in there.
Yeah. I just want to hear one Scotch that just like slips it in there like green vegetables. Tastes like peas.
Asparagus.
No. I'm
Seaweed.
stopping. Yes. All right. Not bad. Mac, how are you feeling about it?
I think I expected a little bit more, I guess because I read some of the reviews. So I had a little bit more expectation on it, and it's just not quite as where I thought it was going to end up.
Okay.
So I should not read those beforehand anymore.
I added a touch of water just to see if that cut down on the smoke a little bit for me.
Say that would.
I don't think so.
It's not really peppery.
I did, but
I didn't
Oh,
get
you
much
did?
pepper on it.
No, I expected a little bit more bite behind it.
Mm-hmm. Water didn't.
there's a little. I get the pepperiness on the end. On the back end, I get the pepperiness. But
They're saying that the finish is lingering smokiness and sweetness.
no.
But a lot of the other reviews I was seeing a lot of people were saying they weren't getting the sweet out of it like is being said.
Yeah, I got the sweet like right on the first time I tried it, and since then I just have not been picking up on it at all.
Maybe a touch.
But
It's not toffee. I love toffee. It's not toffee. But maybe a touch of sweetness lingering, like you were saying. Take a sip and then just like let it sit for a sec. Swallow it and let it sit for a sec. Yeah, a little,
yeah.
not a ton.
And it's very quick. That
Yeah, it's a short finish. It's
very.
yeah.
Jamie.
Okay.
The Band-Aid was the best.
The Band-Aid was the best.
That's sad for it, but it's true.
Mhm.
All right, Mr. Mac, score it 1 to 10. What do you give it?
I'm going 5-1. I'm going right down the middle.
That
Okay.
low?
I'm not.
Okay.
It. Again, I read other reviews, so my expectation was a lot higher, and then it didn't meet that. So I can't read reviews beforehand anymore.
Yep.
Fair.
So
Bias witness.
yeah.
Eric.
3.9. I don't like it. I really do not like it.
Oh, you guys are harsh.
Sorry.
guys are harsh.
Not my jam.
I'm going 7.4. Good. I like it.
Okay.
I wouldn't drive a ways to get it, but if someone said, hey, here's a bottle of scotch. My name's Jonathan King. Why don't you try this? I would absolutely take another.
Yeah, if this was just sitting out and it would be just, but no, like if it's like you go somewhere and you have like, this would be, I think, an all around just like good just to have around type thing. There's nothing to knock your socks off, but nothing to really go the other direction on either.
Yeah, I don't really like it. I would have to pair it with something to make it more fun to drink.
Fair.
I don't know.
Very good. All right. That's our score. I like it. They hate it. All right. Boys and girls,
I think
if you could.
hang it. Wait. I want Jamie every time to like just give us a thumbs up or thumbs down. No vote. Just like get her thumb on the Max camera and just go.
Or sideways. Yeah.
Or sideways
1,
even.
2, yeah.
Yep.
Is this Sparta?
Yeah.
Yeah, does it die?
Did you know that's reversed? Yeah, there you go. In ancient Rome, it was actually thumbs up meant kill them, and thumbs down meant don't kill them. But it was counterintuitive to people since then, so we reversed it. But historically, it's like, yeah, go for it, cut his head off.
Yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Remember, if you want to support our channel, please go visit our retail store over at www.usakilts.com.